Hey guys, it's
Hello.
Toy Random. We are in the mountains. We just played in the creek. You're gonna hear waterfalls and frogs croaking and birds chirping. We're outside, right by the pond. We can't go a day without dealing with toys.
No, we
There's a
cannot.
bug on me. So we brought our other Shopkins 20-pack to open and a couple other goodies. So we might do some more videos through the weekend. Let's get started.
Scissors.
First thing that you see is the teal and the fuchsia backpacks. We've already seen those. You want to take them apart?
Yep.
Alright, first one's first. It's probably in the garden or maybe in the homewares. It looks like a vase. Let's look. Homewares. Yep, Veronica vase.
Check her off.
Veronica vase.
Our minion.
It almost looks, I don't know, it doesn't look like a vase to me because the flowers are only on the top. I don't know. She's cute. It's a pecan.
common.
It's a common. And what was that in homewares?
Yeah.
We have a lot of homewares.
We do.
Yeah, see, look, now I got a leaf on it. Ooh, a garden one.
And we have the other
This
one.
is the other one.
This is the other one that we have, which is the yellow one.
This is the watering can. Was it Walter?
Yeah, it was Walter watering can.
Walter watering can. This is orange into the red.
And that is a common also.
Common garden. Common garden. Oh, look, it's like a, oh, it's not a ladybug. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I'm not going to touch it.
It's like,
I don't know. We got the other one.
Yes!
This one's so cute.
It's Freda Fern.
Ferns. Wow, that sun is like, oh, right in my face. And it's a bunny rabbit. And I love the little tail.
And another common.
I love the detail on these ones.
The garden that I want is barbecue.
Oh, the grill.
Yeah, the girl.
Oh, we got another garden. We got the other window box. Wendy?
Winnie window box.
Oh, Winnie. Oh, it's close.
Yes. And it's another common.
That one's cute. That sun is so bright. Oh, we got a new one. These are all new. We haven't seen any of these before.
What is
Is this
that?
buttered toast? No, it's like a grilled cheese with, looks like a sandwich with tomatoes. And it's a bunny.
Tasty toast.
Tasty toast. It looks like a grilled cheese
It does. Common.
with tomatoes. And
It
that one's in
does.
what?
Sweet treats.
Sweet treats?
Why would that be in sweet treats?
I don't know about that one. Ooh, this one looks like a scone.
Or a burger.
It's just, I don't know. Looks like a scone. That one's cute. Is it in bakery? Oh, right here.
Melty moment. So like a BLT?
Melty moment. I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this is or what it's supposed to be, comment below. Is that in bakery?
Yeah.
A little charm! It's apple blossom!
Oh, it's apple blossom.
Is it apple blossom?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought I like went with
that is ultra rare.
it's a little charm. This one doesn't seem as small as the other ones. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. It blends with the background. Can you see it? Now you see it. Now you don't. We're getting a lot of little charm. Oh, we got the other frame.
Oh, yes. We're getting a lot of, well, we're getting like the
Little
other
kitties.
ones.
I know, this is awesome. We've only had one duplicate so far.
When that is this one.
Snorky. This is the
Which
frame.
looks like a TV.
I know, Snorky does look like it.
Jane frame.
Jane frame.
And it's a rare.
A rare.
Rare.
Homewares. We have like homewares probably almost all. No. It's like a little
Oh my
bit.
gosh.
Hey,
and
we got a duplicate. Hey, do you know what? I jinxed ours. I jinxed.
Hey, it's another glove though.
I know it is another glove.
Where is our glove?
It's a glove. I got something in my eye.
Where is our glove?
I don't know. Oh, down here. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hey, it's different.
It's the other glove then.
Are you sure? Yes! We marked the wrong one first. Look.
We got the other one.
So,
Rare.
like, I don't understand because
It
look.
looks so
Similar. We marked the wrong one because they totally look like the one should be the other. But, yeah, we got both.
Sorry.
We got both gloves.
Yay.
That's cool. Oh, we got the other harp.
Oh, yes. Hillary Hart.
Hillary Harp.
Common.
Is she like poking herself in the eye? Is that like,
Let me see.
I don't know. Did she poke herself in the eye?
And that's why she's squinting or something.
I don't know. Hey, there's an ant. This is crazy. We got the other one. Whoa. See, I still throw them around. Looks like a monkey.
Normal mommy.
Yes. I think it's a monkey.
Rock and chalk.
Looks like fudge. I think it's supposed to be fudge.
And that is a common.
Don't touch me.
Ow.
We got another piano.
Our second duplicate. That is, though, Polly Piano.
Ollie piano.
Yeah,
She's got something in her hand. Is it a rose?
I think so.
I don't know. My shirt is like soaked. Oh, we got another garden. I can't get it out. Looks like it's just like a plant.
Pedo planter.
Isn't there a pet of plant in the other one? Why can't I? Okay, got it. This is the planter, not just the plant. Look at the detail. The cross.
And it is a common.
Common.
Boom.
Garden. Ooh.
What is that?
I don't know. I don't know. It's another pepkin.
Brittany Brownie.
Oh, it's a brownie.
And
And
it's
what
a
is
common.
coming out of the head? It looks like a flower.
Oh, strawberry.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, no.
You ripped it. Oh, no. Brittany Brownie.
And teeny tissues. Yes!
She is about to have a heart attack. Boom.
The one that actually looks like a softball, not the other one that's...
But it's a baseball, but it looks like a softball.
Not the
Thank
other
you,
one.
Moose, for not just putting a baseball, but making a baseball
That looks like,
look
a,
like a
softball.
softball. What's the name? What's the name?
Bessie Baseball.
It's so cute. It's a petkin.
It's a rare.
Hey, we got the other Snorky.
Yes.
Is it Snorky, or are we just calling it Snorky? It is Snorky. It looks like a TV. We got the other one.
Where is that?
The blue one.
It's not on here.
There. Snorky. Is it a common?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're almost done. We got a little charm. We got a cup. This is cupcake sheet.
Yes.
What's wrong?
It's the same one, but the other
We got the other one. We got the translucent one.
Yeah.
So now we have a pair. It's a little charm. And guess what the charms are?
Ultra rare. Had to think of it.
The what? What is this?
What is that?
Looks like a little like croissant.
Chalky croissant.
Oh, it is a croissant.
Common.
It's got butter or icing.
I win it.
Get little swirls. Look, his arms are coming out of his swirls. It's funny looking. Is it sweet treats or bakery?
Sweet treats. All right, I'm gonna open these. So the fuchsia one.
I'll take the checklist.
It feels like a charm.
I wonder if the translucent ones come in the little backpacks, because we got 2 translucent ones in the backpacks last time. It is! That's Strawberry Kiss.
Yeah, strawberry kiss, translucent.
It
Charm.
smells like
Smells like, oh yeah.
gross out here. I just got a big
And
whiff of
then
something
the
gross.
pink one.
Hold on, I gotta find it! Really? Oh, there it is. Ultra rare.
Ultra rare. Okay.
Last one.
Feels like a charm too.
Try a translucent one then.
I know what this one is. It's the chocolate one.
What? Oh, cheeky?
Cheeky chocolate.
Is it the translucent one? Yes! Look. Twinsies. Now we got a translucent one.
Yeah.
I like it. And of course...
I think that the translucent ones do come
I think
in the
they do.
backpack because that's the only time that we got them.
The translucent ones. So, that is all. We didn't get too many duplicates. We only got 2. And that's because we got the blind bags first. If we'd never got the blind bags, then we wouldn't have any
No.
dupes. So, oh, butterfly. So, thanks for joining us. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, obviously, hit that subscribe button.
And hit the like button.
And leave us a sweet, sweet comment letting us know which one you liked the best that we opened today.
Well, mine, of course.
I'm going to say the softball was probably your favorite.
Yes. But my one, like, without, like, before getting that softball, was this one.
The saxophone.
Yeah. That was my favorite.
Awesome. I like spilt milk, the translucent one that we got last time. But that doesn't count because we didn't get that this time. I don't know what my favorite one is this time. Probably something from the garden. I'm going to say the fern. I like the fern.
As a bunny.
It's a bunny rabbit. So, thanks for joining us. Bye, guys.
Bye.